Frank Henise, better known as Butch, and he started in the tire business working for a company out of Middletown. And in 1957, he bought this building along with a partner and opened his own business.
We have retail, so your typical come in, get your car oil change, state inspection, tires. We do that at 2 of our 5 locations. At 4 of our 5 locations, we wholesale distribute major brands. So we deliver tires via our warehouses to auto body shops, garages, car dealerships. And then at all 5 of our locations, we have commercial truck tire service, which was really the heart of the business initially, was servicing trucking companies. And a couple levels below me right now is where it all got started, where we used to retread tires for commercial truck tire service. Retread 2 tires a day back in the 50s, and now we retread 100 tires a day, roughly 20,000 tires a year retreaded through our manufacturing plant. So we have our retail, our wholesale, our commercial, and our retread production manufacturing facility here. Through
high school, I worked part-time after school and during the summers doing tire work, actual tire work and deliveries and so on. And when I got into my late 50s, early 60s, I started thinking about what my exit strategy is going to be. And at some point in there, my daughter and her husband came to me and said they think they might be interested in taking over the business.
I think it's really cool to have a family business. It doesn't seem like there's as many family businesses as there used to be, so to me it's something really sacred to preserve and to have that family touch. We have employees that we know by name, that we trust, that we are friends with, and that we include as part of our family. It's grown to become the family of our employees, of our customers, and even our community of Cleona and Annville, Pennsylvania. My parents went to Annville Cleona High School. My sisters and I graduated from Cedar Crest. So we like to do a lot in the community for the local nonprofits, for the Boy Scouts of America, the Lions Club. We like to just be involved in our community, and we take it seriously as a family company.
We're all pretty much a nice little tight-knit family. We all know each other's names, we get along, we know everybody's kids. It's a good atmosphere, it's friendly, it's not like, hammer down type of area where, you do what I say and that's that. We all work together to make sure everybody gets the job done.
It's truly a family business, and it's humanity at every level, whether it's the person picking up garbage at our desks every day and cleaning the desks to, people that are processing payroll, and then actually the workers that are out delivering the tires, and or our sales force that are out, flying our flag.
Our salesmen are very personable, and they take care of the customers. We believe in customer satisfaction first, and we go to the nth degree to achieve that.
Our company stays on the cutting edge, but yet has that human touch, which I think everybody appreciates.
We're here for you. We're not trying to oversell you. We're giving you what you need, whether it's tires, inspection, alignment, shocks, struts, brake work.
We want to do a good job and really serve our customers and community because it really matters to us. It's really important that we have the trust of our customers and our community.
We're a family-operated business, and we are small, but we're mighty.